Welcome, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of sleek and portable notebook computers with our review of a top-rated model. This notebook has been making waves for its exceptional blend of style, performance, and convenience. Join us as we delve into its features and user experiences. And remember, you can find this notebook through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. One of the first things users rave about is the notebook's design. It's described as sleek, thin, and deliciously portable, making it an ideal choice for people on the go. The notebook's lightweight nature doesn't sacrifice durability or quality, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use while still being easy to carry around. The beautiful screen of this notebook is another highlight. Users appreciate its clarity and vibrant display, enhancing both work and entertainment experiences. Under the hood, the notebook packs a punch with its fast performance. It handles a variety of tasks with ease, from everyday computing to more demanding applications, making it a versatile choice for a range of users. An incredible battery life sets this notebook apart from many competitors. Users love how it can last through a full day of use without needing a recharge, providing uninterrupted productivity and convenience. The notebook's ease of use is also a big plus, with an intuitive interface that appeals to both tech-savvy users and those new to notebook computing. However, every product has its considerations. While the majority of users are happy with their purchase, some have mentioned wanting more from certain features like the zoom capability of the webcam. But these points are often outweighed by the overall positive experience with the notebook. In conclusion, this notebook computer is a standout choice for anyone seeking a blend of style, performance, and portability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a reliable computing device, this notebook is worth considering. Ready to experience top-notch computing on the go? Check out this notebook on Amazon via our affiliate link in the video description and elevate your tech game today.